Good afternoon. Thanks for joining us on Times Now Live. I am Preeti Dahiya, and the big political story that's breaking at this hour, this is in connection with the response that Congress President Rahul Gandhi has filed as a response to a contempt petition which was filed by BJP MP Meenakshi Lekhi in the Supreme Court. Rahul Gandhi says that I regret the remarks made in which he says Chaukidar chor hai. And Rahul Gandhi, in his statement to the Supreme Court, has said that this statement was made in the heat of political campaigning and it has been used and misused by political opponents. So the Congress president there expressing regret over his chore remarks against the Prime Minister. Remember, this is in connection with Rafale deal and the orders that have come in from the Supreme Court. The Congress president had tried tweaking it to his benefit during political campaigning, but today when he was asked to submit his response to Meenakshi Lekhi's contempt petition, he says that he regrets making the chore jibe at the Prime Minister, and that was made in the heat of political campaigning. Well, we will try and get inputs from our legal editor in just a bit. But before that, if I can go across to our senior editor, Madhav Das Gopalakrishnan, who's joining me live on the broadcast now. Madhav, this is significant. Rahul Gandhi today expressing regret over calling the Prime Minister chore vis-a-vis the Rafale deal and the way the Congress party really wanted to make a big issue of it this election season.
Well, there's no doubt about this. Rahul Gandhi has had to beat a hasty retreat when it comes to the statement that he had made. But let me just clarify for the sake of our viewers that what Rahul Gandhi has actually regretted is the attribution that he has made of that Chaukidar chor hai remark to the Supreme Court. Remember, after in fact the review petition was admitted, it is in fact Rahul Gandhi who had said that the Supreme Court, by virtue of what it had done, had admitted that Chaukidar chor hai. Now, when this petition was filed by Meenakshi Lekhi and she took this before the court, we know very well what the court had said, that there was at no point of time was there any such remark that was made by the bench, and that's very clearly the indication that Rahul Gandhi got, that he would have to certainly take a step back as far as the position that he had taken publicly is concerned. It's one thing for him to have said that Supreme Court's orders interpretation or its meaning or its import is that Chaukidar chor hai, which was of course the Congress's campaign, which he has referred to in his reply as well.
Yeah, but he says that this is he regrets the unfortunate response to Supreme Court's order in his political rhetoric against Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Rafale deal, and he says that this was made in the heat of campaigning. But as far as his party's stand is concerned, Madhav, I'm not sure if they are going to not use the jibe Chaukidar chor hai in future in their campaigning. At the moment, like you were clarifying, this is only a regret expressed to the attribution of that particular phrase to the Supreme Court, which was incorrect.
Well, absolutely. I don't think that at any level will the phrase stop being used. Of course, we have seen action and complaints that the BJP has filed at various state-level CEO offices and also with the EC as far as the use of such a word for the campaign.
I'm going to request you to just stay with me for a bit. Dr. Subramaniam Swamy is joining me on the phone line now. Sir, good afternoon. Your first reaction to this development coming in from the Supreme Court, where the Congress president expresses regret over attribution of Chaukidar chor hai phrase to the Supreme Court.
Well, it's a small, apology. But the bigger thing is, what is this mental process that he has to apologize so many times? He has apologized in the Supreme Court for calling RSS as murderers of Mahatma Gandhi. And 2-3 other cases are there. Does he not apply his mind, or is he incapable of what? I mean, he's running for the leadership of this country, and he is making these kinds of remarks. And on what basis? The Prime Minister only refers to them being out on bail and nothing more. But the charges that National Herald against him are cheating, criminal misappropriation, conspiracy, and besides that.
So, Dr. Swamy, are you saying that essentially the Congress president seems to have made a habit of making irresponsible statements and then later expressing regret over that?
Yes, absolutely. That's what it seems like. It's become very, stale. It's only harming him, but he doesn't seem to understand. This is no more convent school jokes. You see, in convent school we used to have such jokes, but the convent school is gone. The British have gone. He should learn that there is something called Maryada and Shistachar.
Thanks very much, Dr. Subramanian Swamy. Appreciate you joining us here on Times Now. I'm also